Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make this Mexican style pasta salad. Well, right now in front of me, you can see this pasta, 250 grams worth that has been boiled as per packet instructions. So we're using this bow tie pasta, but you can use any pasta of your choice. I'm gonna add in some small red onions that have been finely chopped. So this is one small red onion. Here I have two small chopped tomatoes. That goes inside. Now this is 1 cup of cooked sweet corns. Now this is one avocado, one of my favorite foods to eat, and it includes some really healthy fats which are just good for you in general. Now we've got 1 cup of mixed peppers. These are different peppers in here, so I'll just put this into the side. So these are also known as capsicum or bell peppers. Here we have 1 cup of black beans. Now if you don't have this, you can use kidney beans instead. So here is half a cup of chopped coriander or cilantro. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this to the side, and in the meanwhile I'm going to work on making the dressing for this wonderful pasta. So you can see over here we have 4 tablespoons worth of extra virgin olive oil added in. So here is the juice of half a lime. So I'm just going to add that in. And what a combination this will be. So here I have 1 crushed garlic clove, so this will go inside. Now add in some salt to taste. Let's go inside. Now add in half teaspoon worth of black pepper. Now 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Half teaspoon of chili flakes, and it's one of my favorite ingredients as well. Really gives it that little bit of that kick, you know, when you're actually having it. 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar will go inside. You can use any type of vinegar that is available to you. So let me add that inside. That's gonna give it, if the chili flakes adds the kick, this adds the ninja kick with this ingredient. So I'm gonna add in like around that 1 tablespoon worth of honey into this, just to give it a little bit of sweetness and that little bit of you know, contrast. Now if you don't have any honey, you can also add sugar, that's up to you. So now I'm just going to use a spoon to mix the dressing, and all these wonderful ingredients are just going to, you know, blend into one another. So you want to mix it as best as possible, because remember, when this dressing is used on the pasta, it will just give it that enhancement that it kind of needs. Let's move on to the next steps. I'm just going to use 2 spoons to mix everything together within the pasta bowl that we have. Just be a little bit gentle so that the pasta doesn't start breaking or anything like that. But this is something very, very nice to have. It's very light. It's not something that would make you feel bloated or anything like that. And it gives you good energy. Okay, now that it's mixed, I'm going to get the dressing over here and just drizzle it around the pasta. Okay, let's give it another mix as well, so that the dressing is also blending into the pasta, into all the ingredients that we have inside. And then we will pretty much be done with this. And it's quite simple when you look at it. It's not the most difficult of recipes you're ever gonna make, but it's one of those that, you know, if you have it, especially if you appreciate pastas, you're gonna be, you know, over the moon by having something like this. We have just plated this and it looks wonderful. So I've just got some chili flakes. I'm gonna sprinkle this on top. If you don't want to do this, it's up to you, but I like to have it a bit spicy. Okay, that's that. Just gonna sprinkle a little bit of cayenne pepper as well onto the top of this. Without this, gonna just be missing, you know, certain flavors, so it's kind of good to have this on top. So with that, we are done. It's gonna be nutritious, it's gonna be like an energizer, it's gonna be light on you, perfect for the summer. I'm gonna reiterate that. And I highly encourage you to actually make this and see how wonderful this is. And with that said, you can view the playlist of salads on the bottom of our screen, and do check that out. And with that said, catch you in the next one.